guys, we're gonna jump in the pool now.
Ready? We all jump on ourselves.
We should jump off from that way so we can. Okay guys, oh, she's swimming like a mermaid.
Hi guys. Today we're gonna teach you how to be like a mermaid. Ready? Today, let's teach you how to be a mermaid. Ready? Okay. So first, you put your hands like this, and then like this. You jump and you go in.
Yeah.
Perfect. Tell them you shoulder, not toe. Whoa, we can't tell my mom the secrets. Yeah.
Yeah, Elena.
I'm gonna do this in the water. Ready? Be sure to expose us. Oh,
How to
so
swim?
basically, your body is like this, and your body is like flat like this, and then your arms go like this. So scoop, 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 scoop. But then when you're scooping, you have to turn like this to breathe. Just like that to breathe. You ready? Let's start. Eat all day.
Oh, what do you rate that, Elena?
10 out of 10.
Okay guys, so now we are, they done left us. They're leaving us out. Now we're like really sad. It's okay.
We're sad, broken mermaids.
Yeah.
And right now we're in the water where it's 3 feet and 8 feet. 3 feet only. And low-key, when I go on my knees, it's kind of deep.
Yeah, like.
I thought there was a ledge right here.
Bro!
Ready? I'm gonna swim to you guys. Ready?
She's gonna swim to us. I did it.
Oh shit. 10 out of 10. Zoe, your turn.
Okay, my turn, guys.
This is how she doesn't drown.
Okay, y'all ready? Now, y'all not. Okay, ready?
1, go! Oh, you see that? She's right there. She's right there. I thought you were gonna hit me. Oh, we should have a swimming contest.
Okay, guys, now we're gonna race.
Three, two, one, go. I won.
No, she wished she
So
won.
guys, this is my bathing suit. My bottoms are white.
Oh, okay. This is mine, and my bottom is brown. So that was a tie. That was a tie. No, both of us won. Both of us won, y'all.
So basically, today we are at Zoe's hotel swimming, and then tomorrow we're gonna go dance at the Eat Dirty Gala,
Yep.
where you can all eat.
Duh. That's why it's called Eat 30.
Basically, I can't wait because I get to eat tomorrow, and I hope that's good food tomorrow, and also I hope we do good tomorrow too. This is a story of how 5 girls became a mermaid. I gotta go to the moon pool. Come on.
Guys, what the hell? Dude, you're actually so cool. I know, right? Dude, she hold her breath for like 1,000 hours.
Guys, this is such a nice, relaxing pool. I can't believe we found this moon pool by itself.
For real, it's actually really quiet in here. It's really echoey.
I know, right?
What do you guys think about this?
Yeah, it's really nice. Like, the water is so blue, guys.
Yes, it's just like how I like it. It's really clear too.
I'm not gonna swim over there real quick. Okay, let's go, guys. Guys, don't you guys feel a little bit weird?
Yeah, I feel a little bit weird too.
Wait, why my hair's turning? What's happening, guys?
Guys, help!
Oh my god, guys! God, I'm scared! Wait, what's happening to my legs? Guys, my legs are scared! Guys, I don't know! Where? I feel like I'm hurting!
Okay, guys, that was really scary, but honestly, I think we just turned into mermaids. And I've never been a mermaid before, so I'm scared.
I'm scared too. I wonder what our powers are gonna be, guys.
For real. I want to see what I can do. Guys, it's not working.
Maybe you just have to wait. I want to see what power I got.
No way!
I'm ice! I'm ice power, guys! Whoa! Let me try.
Okay, you try yours.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Guys, water! Guys, you got fire! Oh my god!
Okay, you go. You go.
Woo! Guys, you guys see that cool wave in the air? It's so cool. Oh my gosh.
Let's see if my powers work.
I think I'm Earth. Oh my god! Oh my gosh, that's actually so
Guys, okay, let's go see what our mission is today.
Alright, let's check.
Your mission is to find your voice.
What the heck? What was that?
I love my powers so much.
Wait,
what?
I think I heard someone say that our mission is to find our voice. How do we find our voice, guys? I don't know. Guys, I don't know either. I'm scared. What should we do, guys?
I think we should go back to the moon pool.
No, we have to go back to our place. I'm so excited.
No, me too. Like, being a mermaid is so cool.
I know. I love our superpowers.
Wait, guys, my head is hurting.
Yeah, I feel a little bit like nauseous.
Don't you guys feel that?
Yeah.
Wait.
Guys.
In the ending, the girls never found a mission to complete their voices, and now their spirits roam here in the moon pool.
Okay, guys. We're done swimming, so now we're gonna go to walk around.
That was negative aura.
We're on this. Alright, guys. Go check if they have any food. Guys, of course they don't.
Sure, they have me food.
Some of them don't do difference. Okay, guys, we're getting coffee now. We are. Are you fucking kidding me, dude?
Dude, I did that too.
Bro.
Oh, here you go. This is a burrito.
I.
My quesadilla. What is it? Is this my burrito?
Hi guys, we're gonna be eating Taco Bell.
They gave me a burger when I asked for a salad. Wow. Okay, guys. So we just ended practice now, and we're going to. Abby's gonna drop me off now. So, yeah, guys. I'm not gonna do much at my hotel. So, yeah. See you guys tomorrow, I guess. Okay, guys. It is Saturday, and I have to get coffee. So I'll see you guys for this video. Okay, guys. I just made me and Nelly's coffee. So now I'm just coming to Abby picks me up. Hey guys, Abby picked me up. Hi, so now we're gonna go pick up Maya. Miss Maya. So yeah, guys, we're all having a bad hair day today, bad makeup day, but it's okay. Like this part is not curled anymore, and my makeup looks weird. So hey guys, we're all to studios. Everybody's here. Now we're all getting ready and stuff. And yeah, so hey guys, I didn't record us getting ready, but we're gonna go to the venue and we're riding with Shang, and then Abby and them are coming, and yeah. You're late. Okay guys, we're at the venue now. So we're eating our appetizer soon. And I got pineapple. Okay guys, we are doing our own things now. So we're doing a TikTok right now. And everybody else is over there in the back.
Pretty sure that's good.
Yeah, that is. That's how it's supposed to look like. So this is Ellie. Okay, so that is our trip. And we just got done. But we like kind of like messed up, but it's okay because we still have like next week, so to go perform. Hey guys! We're at the party now. So, yeah,
It's wherever you want to go.
Vibing to the music, this is how we do it. All night, breezing down the freeway, just me and my baby. And I ride, just me and my boss, no worries at all. Listening to the
Would've came back for you. I just needed time to do what I had to do. Caught in the life, I can't let it go. Whether that's right, I won't ever know.
But when I'm alone in my room, sometimes I stare at the wall. On the floor, but who can you call? My damn one who live by the code. Put this music to the side, get it in on the road. Lot of quiet time, pink bottles of rose, exotic red bottoms, whole body glittered in gold. Following fundamentals, I'm following in a rental. I love a nasty girl who swallow what's on the menu. That money triple up when you get it out of state. Need a new safe cause I'm running out of space. El Ray Jetson, I'm somewhere out of space. In my two-seater, she the one that I would take.
vibing to the music.